So in this video we're going to be looking at how to calculate complex calculations using percentage and fractions of amounts without a calculator. So we are going to break up the question into two parts to start with. So we're going to break it up into the first part, which is the end of the sentence, and we're going to work out what 9/7 of 420 is to start with. Now to do that we should all know what to do. We're going to divide by the 7 to start with, and then when we get that we're going to times the answer by 9. So we're going to do 420 divided by 7 and times the answer by the 9 to start with. So that's obviously 60 times the 9 will give me 540. So from that then we're going to move to the next part of the question. So I then have 66.66 2/3 percentage, which is the same as 2/3 overall. So it's 66.6 recurring of the amount which we've just worked out of 540. So we're going to be doing the 540. We're going to divide that by the 3 and then times that by the answer by the 2. So that's going to give me 180. Space. Times it by the 2 gives me 360. And remember the units from the question was pounds. So I just have to bring that back down from that. So what I'd like to do now is have a go at the next question. So pause the video, write down the question and work it out. So let's go through and check we've got that right. So we're going to break it up into two parts again. So I'm going to do 7 sixes of 360. We're going to divide by 6 to start with, and then times the answer by 7. So that's going to give me 60 times 7, which is 420. We're then going to bring in the second part of the question, and we're going to do 30% of the 420. We've just worked it out. So you can work out either as a fraction or you can work it out as a percentage question. So I'm going to work it out as a fraction. So I'm going to divide by 100, and then I'm going to times it by 30, but you could divide it by 10 and then times it by 3. And that's up to you. So that's going to give me 4.2, which is 126. And remember the units from the question, which is pounds. Okay. Right, so you are going to have a go at these questions on your own. I want you to write out the question on your action sheet, complete with the working out, and then mark and then work out your percentage at the moment. So you've already done one question and marked it. So this time you're going to do these 3. So it should be out of 4 on your calculation on your percentage. So pause the video and attempt the questions. So there are the answers. The first one is 100, 216, and then £753.33 recurring. So you could round that to 753 0.33 and it's pounds, so that's what you're going to round it to effectively. So give yourself a score out of 4. Put it into a percentage, so hopefully you managed to get at least 3 of them right. If not, have another go please. On your sheet should be all the working out, so your teacher can check your steps.